I'm going to run a little experiment. I searched React developer jobs on LinkedIn over the past month. I'm going to see how many of them say that they also want you to know Python. So the very first job, they want you to know Python. Let's see about the second job. They also want you to know Python. Let's see about the third job. And I did not put Python in as something that I was searching for. I was just searching for React developer jobs. Okay, so the third one does not want you to have Python experience. Let's look at the next one. The next one does. So I've gone through 4 so far. 3 of the 4 do want you to know Python. Let's go to 5. 5 wants you to know Python too, it looks like. Let me see. Yep. So of the first 5, 4 out of 5 want you to know Python. Let's just keep going a little bit longer. Okay, the 6th one also wants you to know Python. Let's look at the 7th one. Okay, the 7th one doesn't. And I'll just go 3 more. So far there's been 2 that does not want you to know Python. Okay, number 8 does want you to know Python. And let's look at number 9. 9 does not, so we're up to 3 no, 6 yes. Let's look at the 10th one. The 10th one does want you to know Python. All right, so out of the first 10 job postings on LinkedIn for React developers or React Native developers, 7 out of 10 of them want you to know Python. I recently entered the job market after about 2 years. 2 years ago, this was not a thing. Most React-based jobs did not require you to know Python. If you wanted to be a full-stack developer, they might want you to know Node.js, but this is completely different. It seems like everybody wants you to know Python. I'm assuming it's OpenAI's fault. Since ChatGPT has taken off, everybody wants AI integrated into their systems. And AI is written mainly in Python. And just to make sure I'm telling you the truth, I looked up what are the top programming languages for artificial intelligence. The number 1 result is Python. Python is the most used language for machine learning, which lives under the umbrella of AI. One of the main reasons Python is so popular within AI development is that it was created as a powerful data analysis tool and has always been popular within the field of big data. If you're a React developer, I think it's time for you to learn Python. I am actually going to be following this advice myself. I have not learned Python yet, but I plan to learn it soon and make some videos about it. So if you're interested in learning Python, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll be putting out some beginner crash courses soon. In addition to Python, you may want to learn about machine learning. AI is here to stay. It looks like it's being integrated into everything. Employers want you to be able to integrate machine learning into their products. The best way to know how to do that is first to learn Python. If you know Python, you can learn machine learning, and you can integrate these principles into everything you build. You'll become a lot more valuable to employers on the job market. Here are some other job searches to prove my point. If you search React developer that pays over $100,000 on LinkedIn for the past month, there are 865 results that pop up. And like I showed you, a lot of these results, maybe even a majority of them now say they want you to know Python. It's getting to the point to where if you say React developer, really what people are thinking is React and Python developer, especially if it's a full stack developer job. Now let's look for Python developer or Python engineer for the past month that pays over $100,000. You'll notice there's 25,000 results. And just to be fair, I tried out changing React developer to React engineer. That produced 2,209 results. If you say Python with the word engineer, it produces 25,660 results. Let's see what Python developer would produce. So it seems like with Python, it's more normal to call them Python engineers rather than Python developers. There weren't a lot of results that came up for Python developer. Something else to point out is the salary range. The number of Python engineer jobs that pay $200,000 a year or more, on LinkedIn, the results came to about 11,000 results over the past month. If you switch that to React engineer, there's only about 1,159 results. So there's about 10 times more Python jobs right now than React jobs. Something that's been kind of crazy to see too is I've noticed even in this rough job market, there's still jobs up there that could pay as much as $600,000 a year or more. I've even seen jobs that pay almost $1 million a year. And every one of them that I've seen wanted you to know Python. So all of this, in my opinion, is why React developers should learn Python. If you consider yourself a full stack developer that knows React and Node.js, I would say it seems as if the new full stack developer for React developers, instead of Node.js, you should still know Node.js, but you should also know Python. There are so many jobs right now that want you to know React on the front end and Python on the back end. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree that React developers should learn Python? Also, do you know of any good Python courses for beginners that you can let us know about in the comments below? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you'd like to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.